Well, well, well. What do we have here? Another bloody rotary. He's got them coming out of his ears.
Yeah, when we sort of run out ideas, we go down to the back shed and there's cars waiting to just take out and work on, and they just keep coming in as we finish a car. There's always another one waiting.
It's a waiting list, that's what that is.
Yeah.
So what you have here is a Datsun 120Y. Hey, it's a Datsun, right? Looks just like a Datsun.
Yeah. It's a KE.
KE, you know, it's got this RE thing here.
Yeah, I know, hang on. Is it a Fiat?
Must be. It looks like a Fiat.
Don't walk on the forks because they're all greased, mate.
Nothing like a back injury to get out of work.
Like, was it office injury? I was walking on greased forks. I don't know what the point of that is. Like, was it just that as like a after fork?
No idea. It's got a new car. Another Holden.
Oh, what's the pins, mate? Awesome, bro.
So USDM, this one. Left-hand drive. Clearly got a bit of work to do. There's no windows, no motor. It's essentially just a rolling shell. No interior. She's all clean and mostly straight. But it's a big job. I'm sure it'll be all worth it.
So this is our latest creation, toy, that we bought out of LA with the intention of making just a nice road car out of it. So that's the plan.
You can keep it left-hand drive, you're going to convert it to right-hand drive.
Probably going to convert it, I think, because I don't think it looks too hard, too difficult.
First time for everything.
Oh, I've been talking to a few people about it, and they've converted them, and they said they're pretty easy to do.
Oh, right.
Everything pretty much goes from left and right, like the glove box and the dash and stuff all converts over.
Oh, that's handy.
So it should, in theory,
Oh,
be easy.
so it's quite a modular.
Yes.
So that unbolts.
I think that's about it, really. At the stage. Bit
Yep.
of cutting maybe.
So a bit of work to do on this.
Not too bad. And little bits and pieces. This is really the only rust. And then in the boot.
But it's been treated by the looks of it.
Yeah, it's all been blasted and primed. So at least by being blasted we know that that's the only bits that's a problem. And then a bit of bodywork and then paint it. And then hopefully find some interior, but if I can't find any interior we'll just make most of it, I think. We'll just make it out of fiberglass if we have to. Make it out of fiberglass, put 4 buckets in it. Done.
Yeah. You're right in there.
Maybe. Normal V or
Yeah, normal V, please.
0?
Normal V, sure. Right. The problem's when you win too many trophies. Never-ending supply of V. So what? You bought an FC race car?
FC, it's got like a 30V turbo single light Bridgeport in it.
Nice.
We sort of bought it for Dad to help play in and then potentially pull the stuff in that.
Yeah. What are you going to do with the rest of it?
We'll see what it's like when we get it.
Sweet.
I want to FC race car.
I want an FC race car.
Wish me luck.
repair work coming along. Looking much shinier than it was before. Metal's good. Although the smiley face is good. It's actually still warm.
I was just grinding it.
Oh, well, that'll explain that.
The following Thursday.
Mystery solved. Whoa, Jesus. Not that mystery, that's no mystery. That's bad dinner choices. I thought it was dodgy coils or something, but nope, just a vacuum leak.
Start again, and then why would it be off though? It won't blow off.
We didn't just get Charlie out for shits and giggles,
I'll just undo the...
although it was very good fixing that idle issue. We're taking off a set, or a side of the end keys to take back home to test fit on the FC. So I'll take these off, take a side of the GTR wheels, which are tucked back there, take those home as well, and we'll see how they look on the FC.
No.
It's just all the way off.
Yeah, pretty much that's it. Just punch now.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so we've got the race wheels back on. Now the front I think's a bit higher than it normally is. Good thing I did that to get it on the truck when I moved down here. But we've got the GTR 16x8s on with a plus 35, so it's a square setup, but man, that's ugly. Did you put the spacer, are the spacers still on?
Yep, supposedly.
That's horrendous. I swear the cambers got fucked, because it had a neutral camber at the back, last wheel alignment, and we had heaps of camber in the front. The fronts have lost their camber and the rears have gained it. Yeah, definitely prefer the end keys as far as looks than the old GTR wheels, but no, they've got their moment, they've got their place. Right, so we're putting it back. We're gonna look at bleeding the clutch, but we figured we don't have all the tools, so we will try that next time.
Any tools?
Yeah, no tools. We're lucky we had a.
Well, there's two of them.
Lucky we had a jack in this garage. So yeah, the problem is the new hydraulic system for the clutch. I couldn't get bled. I couldn't even get it flowing in the car. Could flow it no problems on a bench, but yeah. So Shane and I will try that next week. But for now, we're going to put it away. We've got the wheels off.
This sucks. I know. It does.
Yeah, she's good.
Yeah, right.
What time is it?
Oh, fuck, do I know?
20B time.
No, 26B. It's, yeah, it's 26B time.
We're going quad
I've still got my
rotor.
light on.
Oh, fuck.
Let's shed some light on this situation. It's 5:39.
So there you go, guys. The secret plan is to put a quad rotor in here.
Fuck off. We're putting a truck engine in it. Cummins.
Yeah.
Cummins.
Cummins 12 valve.
That's why it doesn't matter about the tunnel.
We've got the gearbox here, ready to go. Got a custom bell housing all made. I'm just going to mock up the
I don't know. Never played with housings before.
the quad rotor setup now.
That's enough. Couple of tick screws done.
You get correct spacing here.
They can get out of the fucking tape.
Get out the black duct tape so it looks like it's got housings, plates in it there. We need like a Doritos fucking bag.
Yeah, something like that in there.
end up filming this over a series of nights because it's pretty slow progress, obviously. Heaps to fucking do. But the current thought is to get some sort of Nissan subframe in here from a Zafiro or Skyline or something. Bring all the steering column etc. over from the left to the right. Relatively straightforward. But Jason's quite keen to have this as kind of like a show car finish, so like a smooth shaved engine bay and whatnot. And yeah, some sort of airbag technology. And get some cool silent compressor stuff now where the compressor's actually inside the air tank and whatnot, so I think Jason will look into something like that. Paint, colour undecided, wheels undecided, interior undecided. The repower package is not understood at this point either. 4-rotor would be pretty cool, but yeah, it's going to take a lot of money for that. See the rust repairs in the sill, looking pretty good. Still some work there to get that perfect, but it's not a bad job. And on the other side as well. And there's some more rust down behind in front of the rear wheels, and looks like a clutch or flywheel exploded at one point and caused a rip in the tunnel, but it's been bashed up. It was a bit worse than that earlier. It'll get welded up. But yeah, it's going to be a long road, but we've got until next reunion 2019 to get this going.